What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So this is exactly how much my burn video will be burning in Shiba Inu. So make sure you guys stay tuned for all the detail. And if you guys want to go ahead and watch that video, the link will be up in the cards. So feel free to check it out. But if you want to know how much is going to be burned so far, then we will definitely take you through that in this video. We're also going to go through exactly what Shiba Inu did over this weekend. And yeah, we'll go from there. So guys, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel quite a bit. So let's go ahead and dive into the screen. What we're going to look at first is Shiba Inu as a whole. Where is it actually at? It's currently at about 3,000. So it's been holding around that level. A lot of people are speculating that things are really going to make some moves after you see the whole Robinhood thing, after you see maybe some coins that are actually burned off here and there. And also just seeing this thing absolutely skyrocket based on the amount of people that want to buy it, right? You look at the typical hold time here, 62 days of typical hold time. That is insane. That's really, really good for a coin that quote unquote doesn't have utilization, doesn't have utility. That is insane to see that people are holding on to this coin because they believe in the process. They believe in what's going to happen, right? It's not only about the fact that, people saw an increase and then now they're seeing a decrease, so they want to hold on to the position. That's not what it's about, right? You have a lot of other positions that are like that, but this one shows so much promise to actually increase, not even based on you just, doing anything or seeing a bunch of FOMO buying go on. It's more or less on the fact that we understand the circulating supply could decrease here. And when we see that circulating supply decrease, we're going to see that price increase. So currently that circulating supply is still at 549 trillion. We have about 40 trillion that's left out there that can still dilute the price, which is good for people that want to buy and burn coins or just buy coins in general. That's definitely good. We do see a 63% buy over a 37% sell. It's still 11th in popularity on Coinbase. The market cap is around 16.7 billion, under that 17 billion mark. But the reason why you're here, right, is because you want to know exactly how much is going to be burned off. And let's go ahead and jump into that. Now, I have my analytics here, and you see the current video, burn video that I have. This video will burn billions of Shiba Inu coin. That's the title of it. It's at 26,700 views. We have about 3.5 thousand hours of watch time, and it's gained over $420 worth of revenue. This means that you'll be able to burn off comfortably, I would say, around over 250 as you look at that, because it's going to be basically 40% that we do end up burning off, or 60% that we burn off, 40% that we save for taxes, because I still have to pay taxes on it because it comes across as revenue for me. And I want this to be where nobody pays anything, right? I don't pay anything to burn anything. You guys don't pay anything to burn anything. We both just sacrifice time, right? I took the time in recording the video, also talking about it constantly and pumping it, spending that time pushing out another video to basically benefit the Shiba Inu community. So I'm spending my time doing that. You guys are spending time watching the video and sharing the video so that it can go out to more and more people, so that we can burn more and more dollars, right? That's what it's all about. So you can see that's consistently growing. It's consistently adding on new revenue, and we'll leave this here. But I think there needs to be another video in my last video that I'm going to create for burns. I'm going to do something to where it actually can bring in the audience and, have a better thumbnail and title, and hopefully it can gain 100,000 views from the first week. That will be phenomenal. And then we can see that move on from week to week to week, gaining hopefully 100,000 views every single week. That would be amazing, or more, right? So anyways, $420. Let's go ahead and break this down a little bit just to give it an understanding of where things are. This is my calculation that I did in my last video. If you guys, want to check that out, feel free to check that out as well. And let's basically just take $420 and we can just take this and multiply by 60%. And then that's what we will be burning off. $252 is what we will be burning off right now. And obviously, as it continues to increase, we will burn off more and more. And this is where, in the beginning of that new burn video, I'm actually going to be burning this off so you guys know that I'm legit, that I'm actually going to be doing this, because there's a lot of scams out there where people won't actually do it. And I don't think anybody has come up with an idea like this to where you create the video, you generate revenue from it, you take that revenue and burn off Shiba Inu coin, because it's not my money. It's not your money. You know, it's basically Shiba Inu's money, right? We can basically take that and burn off that coin, and now it benefits everybody, not just me and not just you. It benefits everyone in this community. So I think it's a really, really big deal to see that happen. And will that actually make a difference? I don't think it will make a huge difference if we basically take this amount and we divide it by this amount up here where the current price is. I think it's 0.003. So let's see exactly how much that will burn off. How do I fix that? Let's actually just take this and just copy paste special. And then what I'm going to do is just take this and just change it to a 3, because that's where we currently are. It'll basically burn off 8.4 million. Now, that's not a crazy amount, but it's still burning off something, right? And as we go on and on to figure out how much will be burned off, hopefully the price will decrease so that I can buy a bunch and then burn off a bunch, because that will be phenomenal if the price somehow, like, they add on the 40 trillion coins that they have there and the price adds a 0 rather than loses a 0, which I know that will get everybody heated if that does happen. But then I would be able to buy 252 million at the point of just, burning this off during that video. So, and then if we do get to a point where we have a lot more, maybe $1,000, maybe $2,000, whatever, when it gets to that point to where I'm going to burn it off, you would see a lot more money or a lot more Shiba Inu that's going to be burned off. So, definitely go ahead and watch that video. The video will be up in the card so you guys can check it out. But Shiba Inu right now, it's looking solid around that 3,000 level. And do I expect it to rapidly increase? I would love for it to pull back. Why? Because it would make it easy for me to buy my Shiba Inu, because I still need to buy 60 million for me. And then it would also make it easier to burn Shiba Inu, you know what I mean? So buy it and burn it. It would make it just 10 times easier to do that. So you guys let me know what you guys are thinking about this. If you want me to create this new video, I'm going to create it sometime soon. I'm going to let this live out a little bit more life, because it's only been about 12 days, I guess 14 days at max. But, I'm basically going to let this live out its life, and we're going to go from there. So that's what we're burning off. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video and found it informative, and hopefully you guys can add this video to your playlist, not this one, but the video that I have up on the screen. You can add it to your playlist, and we can basically generate more and more revenue to burn more and more Shiba. But guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. I really appreciate everybody that comes through and watches my content. Again, it means the world to me that I grew this much over 2020, 2021. And hopefully 2022 can be just as good. But yeah, anyways, again, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, check out some of the links down below for my Profit apparel if you guys want some shirts, some hoodies, and all that stuff. But I will catch you guys in the next video. See ya.